The time may come where you need to hide a column or multiple columns even, or a row or multiple rows. Some reasons for doing that is maybe you might be sending the worksheet to someone and there might be some information that you don't want them to see. So before you password protect or protect just in general the worksheet, you want to hide certain columns and rows. Or maybe that particular column or row is not really necessary. Maybe it's raw data that's maybe feeding another calculation somewhere, and you don't need to see that raw or repetitive data. Let's take a look at how we can do this. It's all about right-clicking, folks. All right, so maybe, for example, this percentage that's hanging out over here, let's say I wanted to hide that column. I'm going to right-click on my column letter at the top here. And I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I see an option here for hide. I'm going to go ahead and choose hide. All right, hides that column. Just that easy. Right? Same thing is true with rows. Let's say this total row. I want to hide that row. I'm going to right-click on the row number, and I'm going to choose hide. And it hides that row. Easy peasy. Now I can tell that there is a hidden column and a hidden row because obviously the column letters are missing. Row number 13 is missing, right? And you can see kind of this little extra line hanging out in here. So how do I unhide, right? Because if I right click here and I choose unhide, nothing happens. Right click here, unhide, nothing's happening. So to unhide a column or row, I need to highlight the column or row before and after what is hidden. So for example, I'm going to highlight columns H and J. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose unhide. And it unhides it. Let's do the same thing with our row. Highlight before and after, right click, unhide, and it unhides what was there. So we right click to hide a column or row. We highlight the column or row before and after what has been hidden, and we right-click to unhide.